How to change who can follow you on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. And here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find settings and privacy. Scroll down in here and simply click on followers and public content. After that, simply click on who can follow me at the top. And here you'll find different options. You'll find public, everyone, and friends. It's not available in my account. It will be available in your account. You can simply change it from here, save it, and you're good to go. This is how to change who can follow you on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.